Watch till the end of the video to see the trailer and the pricing, which will blow your mind. But first, the TV commercial.
Your pocket, it don't mean nothing if you ain't where it is. Wow! Here's an invitation to the whole wide world. From your brother to your sister to your best friend's girl.
And finally guys, we are here. The Galaxy S9 family just got announced, and as we expected, we knew everything about the phones thanks to the leaks. The only new thing is that now the home screen works in horizontal mode, which is a nice thing. Remember, the headphone jack is still here, as well as the fingerprint scanner, and no notch. Now, as I told you in the previous video, the trailer that got leaked was not the official main trailer. It was for the Enterprise Edition. So here's the main trailer.
This year, over 1 trillion videos and images will be snapped, edited, and shared. So we haven't just updated the camera. We've completely rethought the entire camera experience for how you communicate today. Introducing the Samsung Galaxy S9, the camera, reimagined. The Galaxy S9's revolutionary camera introduces dual aperture that adapts just like the human eye to capture stunning pictures in bright daylight, to low light, and even to super low light. Its multi-image processing takes place right on the sensor, which makes the S9 perfect for any lighting conditions. The reimagined camera radically slows down time, capturing the moment within the moment. Its incredible 960 frames per second records 4 times faster and lets you loop moments, add your favorite music, then share on the spot. All made possible by a new super speed dual pixel sensor, making everyday moments epic. And advanced OIS technology keeps your photos sharp, clear, and stable, even when you're not. We've reimagined the camera so you can reimagine the world around you.
Hey, Bixby, translate this.
With quick command, its camera even responds to your voice. And intelligent image recognition technology works seamlessly within the same app, so you won't get lost on your screen. The reimagined camera turns you into an AR emoji. Simply snap a selfie and create an emoji that's actually you. Choose stickers for any feeling to share across all your favorite messaging apps.
Where are you?
Or record unique movie messages, so you're not the you that everyone else is. And with Disney characters, you'll truly stand out. To match the reimagined camera, an uninterrupted canvas for creators delivers a remarkable new phone experience too. The phone is packed with AKG-tuned dual speakers, and with Dolby Atmos, delivers theater-like surround sound that takes you closer to the moment. While the world's most popular headphone jack means you'll never miss a beat when on the move. Now unlock faster than ever by tapping on the ergonomically placed fingerprint sensor, or let the hidden intelligence scan unlock with just a glance. Our greatest feat of engineering has always been taking the time to listen to you. That's why our team of engineers, inventors, and problem solvers didn't just set out to make our best phone yet. We set out to reimagine what a phone could be. What we're changing in here will change how you experience everything out there. Samsung Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus, the camera, reimagined.
Super cool. And you just saw the 960 FPS slow motion video recording, as well as the cool AR emojis. That seemed a bit laggy at Unpacked, but hopefully it will get more polished. And now for the pricing. Remember the very weird numbers we heard before? If you get the phone directly from Samsung, the Galaxy S9 will be at $719.99 and the Plus model at $839.99. That's even cheaper than the S9 Plus at launch, which came at $850. So at the end of the day, leaks are not always right. You can also try the monthly installments for only 1 cent more than buying it outright. $30 per month for the S9 and $35 per month for the S9 Plus for 25 months. There's also the trade-in service, which lets you trade in your phone and get up to $350 discount. You can also get some deals with carriers, and I will put a link down in the description so that you can read more about that. Pre-orders begin on the 1st of March and the release date on the 16th of March. So that's it guys, what a day full of hype. Now please, if you like this video, then just press the like button to let me know. And subscribe for free awesome tech content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.